everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are discussing about inheritance. Let's get started. Reusability is yet another aspect of object oriented paradigm. It is always nice if we could reuse something that already exists rather than creating the same all over again. Java supports this concept. Java classes can be reused in several ways. This is basically done by creating a new classes, reusing the properties of existing ones. One of the most important concept of in object oriented programming is that of inheritance. Definition of inheritance: it is the capability of one class to inherit the properties from another class. The technique of building new classes from the existing classes is called inheritance. In diagram I am showing the inheritance, the base class, or it is also called superclass. In this class some properties can be used in another one class, that is called subclass or derived class. So base class definition: it is the class whose properties are inherited by another class. It is called as superclass. Derived class definition: it is the class that inherit properties from the base classes. It is also called subclass. It inherits all the properties of the base class and can add additional features to the derived class. Advantages of inheritance: code reusability, easy to implement real world models, and transitive nature. Types of inheritance: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hybrid inheritance. First one is single inheritance. Derivation of a class from a one class base class is called a single inheritance. In the figure, class Y is derived from a class X. As shown in the figure, X is a base class. Some properties can be used in a derived class, that is Y class. And syntax of the subclass is class subclass name extends superclass name, and inside the class body write the variable declaration and method declaration. And this is the example of the single inheritance. Here I am using the animal is a superclass. So write class name is the animal, and inside the class I am writing one of the method, that is void eat, and print inside the method print the output statement, that is eating. And I am writing the another one class, that is the subclass is a dog. So class and dog is a subclass name. Extend superclass name is animal. Here animal class some properties can be used in a subclass. So void in a subclass I am writing another one method, that is void bark system.output.println, that is barking. The output of this program is eating and barking. Here I am using the base class and superclass. Both output are displayed here. Eating is a superclass output and barking is a subclass output. Second one is multiple inheritance. Derivation of a class from a several two or more base class is called multiple inheritance. In the figure, class Z is derived from both the class X and Y. Here X and Y are the base class and Z is a derived class. Some properties from the X and Y classes can be used in a Z class, and multiple inheritance cannot be allowed in a Java. So other than multiple inheritance, here using the interfaces. Third one is hierarchical inheritance. Derivation of several classes from a single base class is called hierarchical inheritance. In the figure, the class Y and Z is the derived from the same class of X. Here X is the base class. X classes some properties can be used Y and Z subclasses. Example of the hierarchical inheritance. Here superclass is animal and subclasses are cat and dog. So superclass animal class properties can be used in a dog subclass and cat subclasses. So output is here eating and barking is the eating is a superclass and barking is a dog class output. Eating is a superclass output and meowing is a cat subclasses output. Fourth one is a multiple inheritance. When a subclass is derived from a base class which itself is derived from another class, it is known as a multi-level inheritance. In the figure, the class Z is derived from class Y, which is a derived class that is inherited from the class X. Here X, Y, Z are the three classes are there. X is a base class and Y is a subclass. X class properties can be used in a Y class. Thereafter, Y is also in turn is a superclass, and this Y's properties can be used in a Z class. So this is called multi-level inheritance. Here is a animal is a superclass and dog is a subclass. So dog class can be used as superclass properties. Thereafter, the baby dog class can be inherited the dog classes. So dog class is in turn into subclasses to superclass. So output is like that: eating, barking, and weeping. Hybrid or multipath inheritance. Derivation of a class involving more than one form of inheritance is known as hybrid inheritance, as it is the derivation of a class from the other derived classes which are derived from the same base classes. This is called hybrid inheritance. In this figure shown, y is the base class and xy is the subclasses. W classes, some properties can be used in a XY class. Thereafter, XY class is in turn into the again superclass, and Z is the use these XY class properties. Thank you for watching the video.